This is a single arm overhead press done half kneeling. So it's going to challenge the core stability as well as building strength through your shoulder. So we're going to set up initially in a half kneeling position, which is going to be one leg up, one leg down. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you can just feel a little bit of drag through that front leg to just allow the pelvis to tilt underneath you ever so slightly. And then before we start, we're also going to make sure that rather than being ribcage out and flared here, we're just going to make sure that's connected down so that we feel like our rib cage is stacked over the top of our pelvis, because that's going to give us the best stability. So as we go to do the movement, we've got the ability to brace that core for the core to activate and help with our stability. You're going to set up with whatever weight you want. I'll be using this dumbbell. I'll show you from the front and then from the side. So again, knee up, foot to the floor, slight drag forward, pulling the pelvis underneath you, rib cage stacked. Breathe and then make sure you can brace. Your elbows are going to be ever so slightly in front of you. And then you're going to push the weight directly over your head so your bicep comes towards your ear. So I'll show you a few reps from this angle. So you're going to use a weight that you can make sure that you can control on the way down and that you can control while it's in the air. That core stability, that stack of the rib cage over the pelvis becomes really important for making sure that you can control that arm up and in. I'll just do a couple of reps from the side as well so you can see. So again, front foot just going to pull pelvis underneath you slightly. Rib cage is just going to very gently just drop down. It's not going to squeeze, we're not in like a crunch position, not tight. But just to make sure we're not here, we're just going to let the rib cage just drop down. Rib cage over the pelvis. Arm up, ever so slightly in front, so we're not coming all the way back here. Ever so slightly in front, and then just pressing straight up, bicep, getting close to that ear. Nice and controlled on the way down. So even as you come to the top here, we're not allowing a flare to happen. We're keeping that rib cage down as the arm is overhead. So we keep that control through your midsection.